Okay. Please open your chapter number 8. Today we will do chapter number 8 revision. Every one of you. Measurement. Till then I take till the 24 students join the class. Please all of you join in time. I am taking your presentation now. Wait a minute. The first one here is Alifia joint. Hans Anil Kumar, Aryan Yadav, Ayush Bua, Harvi Gami, Yani Gami. After that, Happy Pandit, Jamil Bopalia, Javier Bua, Isha Detroja, Parth Sundaria, Mahi Mendapara, Mahi Sheta, Met Patel. After that, Nitya Tilwa, then Om Kakasanya, Rudra Agara, Shanvi Agara, Nitya Sarvadia, Shlok Adroja, Shreya Vasjaria, Simran, also present, very good. Shia Patel, Yashvi Sheta, Yatri Bilpara, and Asti Panara. This much is present. Please join in time, everyone. First we record chapter number 8. Till then we do first slok of Gayatri Mata. 3 times, everyone. Join your hands, close your eyes. Om Bhuvasva Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhuvasva Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhuvasva Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. We had understand already this chapter, the revision for recalling. Measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is the process of finding the size or quantity of something, right? Early time में people कैसे measure करते थे? जब ये यूनिट्स वगैरह नहीं था, they use different body parts such as the hand and the palm. They use to measure the length, and at that time they use hand span, cubit, and fathom. But ये जो body parts is vary person to person, that you know, that differ from person to person. So people realize that they need to have fixed quantity to measure things. A fixed quantity that is used as a standard of measurement is called a unit. Standard कोई measurement चाहिए ऐसे यूनिट चाहिए जो स्टैंडर्ड हो, ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में सेम। अंडरस्टैंड ऑल ऑफ यू? सो दे फर्स्ट hand span, the length between the tip of the thumb and the tip of the little finger of a fully open palm is called a hand span, right? This is hand span. Then the length between the tip of the middle finger and the elbow is called cubit. And the fathom. Fathom is the length of outstretched arm. Now, measurement of length. Then the unit of measurement invented by the scientist. Length is the size or measurement of an object from its one end to another. एक एंड से दूसरे एंड पर जो साइज का मेजरमेंट करते हैं, that is called length. Meter rule and measure tape हम यूज करते हैं to measure the length. That is the instrument measure the length. तो the standard unit कौन सा है length का? Meter. Then other unit millimeter, centimeter, that is used. That is smaller length. Then we have to measure smaller length and we use millimeter, centimeter, right? Then kilometer is used to measure larger distance. And there is a unit conversion. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. ये conversion हमने वर्कशीट में ऑलरेडी किया था. Then measurement of mass. How to measure the mass? What is mass? Mass tells us how heavy or light an object is. ऑब्जेक्ट कितना भारी है या तो हल्का है, उससे हमको पता चलता है मास. Then what is the instrument that used to measure the mass? The beam balance or the imbalance that we use to measure the mass. And the standard unit of mass is kilogram. Then the smaller unit milligram and gram. Kilogram is used to measure larger mass, that you know already. Then the conversion of the units. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. Then we had already understood about the capacity also. Measurement of capacity. Capacity of a container. Bottle. Now let us understand about the capacity. Do you all hear my voice clearly? Please confirm, everyone on chat. Yes, thank you. I got your confirmation. Now let us know about the capacity, measurement of capacity. Capacity of a container is the amount of liquid it can hold. Container कितने amount में liquid hold कर सकता है? That is called capacity. Simple. A measuring cylinder is used to measure capacity. The standard unit of capacity is liter. Milliliter and liter are the smaller unit of capacity. Right? Kiloliter is used to measure larger capacity, like a big tank of water. Right? So capacity बढ़ी. Then the unit conversion of the capacity. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. Then let us understand about revision about the measurement of time. The period between two events is called time. And what is the instrument to measure the time? A clock, a watch that we use. And units of the time: second, minute, and hour. These are the units of time. And the conversion: 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That you know already. This is for recalling. Then measurement of temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is the measure of how hot or cold an object is. Object, कोई भी object कितना hot है कितना cold है, so temperature से measure कर सकते हैं. And instrument we use thermometer. Thermometer yesterday मैंने आपको बताया था. Laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer for using the body of the temperature. The unit of temperature: Celsius, degree Celsius, and degree Fahrenheit. And the doctor use thermometer to measure the temperature of a patient who has fever. So this is the recalling of chapter number 8. Let us start now. Revision sheet. I have sent revision sheet yesterday. So everyone, please open your revision sheet. Every one of you. Did you open, everyone? Please confirm on chat. Then we start. You can print out your revision sheet जो मैंने भेजा है, उसको प्रिंट कर सकते हो आप. PDF में भेजा है मैंने. श्रेया वांस जाड़िया रफ बुक में भी लिखते हैं. आप अपने फेयर नोट को भी पार्ट बना सकते हो. रिवीजन पार्ट ऑफ PA1 ऐसे करके रिवीजन शीट का लिख सकते हो आप. Shreya Vansjaria, I unmute you. Please wait a minute. Shreya Vansjaria. Shreya, 1 minute, better. I unmute you. I find you and then. Shreya Vansjaria. Okay, yes. Shreya, I unmute you already.
Sir, आज मेरे पास रिवीजन सेट नहीं है, तो मैं कल पूरा कर लूँगी आज का। चलेगा?
ठीक है, ओके फाइन।
ओके।
देन अदर्स वन श्लोक आद्रजान। हाँ श्लोक बोलिए बेटा।
सर हम प्रिंट करवा ले
हाँ चलेगा। हाँ रिविजन पढ़ करके लिखना है। रिविजन पढ़ करके लिखना है। एंड वन अदर स्टूडेंट that yesterday that is there Atmangami in your Atmangami है? Is there Atmangami is there? Atmangami है। ज्ञानी गामी के भाई होता है क्या? ध्यानी आई अनम्यूट यू फर्स्ट। हाँ ध्यानी आई अनम्यूट यू बेटा। ध्यानी गामी आई ऑलरेडी अनम्यूट यू बेटा। आत्मनगामी शायद ए में है। लेट मी सी। Meet Mahi Shweta. Let me know. Which class? This A. This aiming, but he is not right now in class. So let us start now. Everyone be ready. Here we go now. And worksheet में मैंने points मेन पॉइंट्स आपको दिए ऑलरेडी। पॉइंट्स टू रिमेम्बर जो हमने अभी रिकॉल किया। राइट नाउ फर्स्ट वन यू हैव टू गिव आंसर इन चैट एवरीवन। हाउ मेनी सेकंड्स आर देयर इन हाफ आवर? पेज नंबर 3 ऑफ रिविजन शीट वर्कशीट। ऑप्शन है 24, दूसरा ऑप्शन 60, तीसरा ऑप्शन है 1800 and चौथा ऑप्शन है 3600. Let me see. The correct answer is already given by some of the students. Mahi Dhruvil Dwanil ने and Mahi Shweta ने दे दिया है 1800. Very good. Keep it up. Fine. Good answer. 1800. Now second one, here we go now. Which of the following is a unit of mass? Here is the option: meter, liter, gram, and second. The correct answer, let us see who gives the answer. Gram is the correct answer, already given by some students, and that is correct. Fine, good answer. Keep it up, students. Good. All of you have to give answer. Which of the following measures was used in ancient time? Ancient time में कौन सा यूनिट यूज कर रहे थे, कैसे मेजर करते? ऑप्शन: लीटर, क्यूबिट, किलोमीटर, ग्राम। Correct answer is cubic. Very good. Now I see the check. Yes, Lok Adroja. Very good. Keep it up. Fine. Fine answer. And having some others message. Yes, Sheta.
Yes,
Okay. I will unmute you. I will unmute you. Yes, Sheta. Please wait a minute. Yes, Sheta. हाँ यशवी आई अनम्यूट नाउ बोलिए यशवी बेटा बोलिए
सर मैंने रिवीजन शीट की प्रिंट तो निकाली है पर उसमें क्वेश्चन आंसर की जगह नहीं दिए तो उसमें कहाँ लिखूँ मैं?
क्वेश्चन आंसर तो आपको अभी तो बोला बच्चों मैंने बोला ना 10 नोटबुक में लिखना है आपको डिवीजन पार्ट कर
और सर MCQs और फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स की जगह दी है उसमें तो वहाँ लिखना है ना?
वो तो हाँ वो तो अंदर ही फिट कर देना है बेटा वन वर्ड जो है फिलअप्स है MCQs है वो तो अंदर ही टिक कर देना है ओके
थैंक यू सर
अंडरस्टैंड ओके बेटा
सर
now I will unmute another children Ayush Bhua and then Mahi Sheta. Ayush Bhua, wait a minute. हाँ बोलो आयुष बोलो नहीं हमारा फेयर नोट बुक पे उसने रिजल्ट पार्ट करके लिखा
ओके पिन पे से लिखे तो चलेगा
नहीं हाँ पिन पे से लिखो तो चलेगा
मैं पिन पे से
now Mahi Sheta okay Mahi Sheta I meet you बोलो माही
सर आपने चैप्टर 4 तक लगाया
चैप्टर 4 मैंने पूरा 2 दिन रिवीजन लिया था और ये चैप्टर नंबर 8 होने के बाद चैप्टर 4 फिर से लेंगे ओके अंडरस्टैंड
शीट में बाकी है ना वो तो
हाँ रिवीजन शीट में बाकी है तो कोई बात नहीं चैप्टर नंबर 8 के बाद चैप्टर नंबर 4 लिखना क्या फर्क पड़ जाएगा अंडरस्टैंड
ओके
यार
ओके सर
So let us move to the next one. 100 millimeter is equal to dash centimeter. Who will be the first answer? Let us see. The option is 1, 10, 1000. None of this. The answer is 10. Yeah. Some of the children give the answer 10. That is the correct. Very good. Keep it up. Fifth one, 1000 milliliter is equal to dash liter. Here is option 10, option B 1, option C 100, option D none of these. The correct answer is 1. Very good, all of you. I see now check. Fine, all of you. Good. 1 liter is correct answer. Now we move to answer in one word. Here we go now. First one. An instrument used to measure temperature. The correct answer is thermometer. Yes. I get the answer also from the students. Very good students. Keep it up. Fine. Second one. Distance between outstretched arms. The correct answer is fathom. Fathom is the correct answer. Good. Fine. Now the third one, period between two events. The correct answer is time. Time is the correct answer. Om Prakash Sania ने पहले दे दिया आंसर. Very good. Keep it up, all of you who have written the answer. Time. Now fourth one, a fixed quantity that is used as a standard of measurement. Correct answer is unit. Fine, good. I have got the answer from Yashvi Shekha first. Very good. Fine, keep it up. Let us move now. Fifth one. Be ready, children. The process of finding the size or quantity of something. The correct answer is, what is the correct answer? I would like to see the chat now. The correct answer is measurement. No one sent answer. Okay. The correct answer is measurement. Yes, Kavya Bhuva. Correct answer is measurement. Now let us move to the short question answer. I will send PDF. Don't worry about it, everyone. I will send the PDF. Okay. Let us move now. First question here is, what is land? I would like to unmute any one of you to give answer. I would like to unmute any one of you to give answer. I would like to unmute Yashvi Shekha. हाँ बोलो यशवी बेटा. What is land?
Length is the size or measurement of an object from its one end to another.
Very good. Keep it up. Fine. Good answer. Very good. Now we move for the second question. Which unit would you use to measure the length of a pencil? Okay, I would like to unmute Sia Patel. Yes, Sia. I need you, beta. What's your answer? Sia Patel. I already unmute you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बोलिए बेटा आंसर सेकंड क्वेश्चन का बोलिए.
Sir, please repeat the question. Repeat the question.
Which unit would you use to measure the length of a pencil?
Length of a pencil. Length of a pencil.
Yes. कौन सा यूनिट यूज करोगे आप पेंसिल को मेजरमेंट करने के लिए?
Meter. Meter.
It's wrong. Not meter.
Millimeter.
Millimeter.
Centimeter is the correct answer. पूरा आंसर मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ. I would like to use centimeter unit to measure the length of a pencil. This is the full answer. Okay. Let me move to the next one.
Sir,
Listen, everybody carefully. Some of the noise come. Who is unmute? Yes, we say type. Please mute your mic. What is unit? Write 2 units of temperature. I would like to unmute any other children, and he or she has to give answer. Randomly I unmute. Happy Pandit. हाँ Happy बोलो. What's your answer? Happy.
Sir.
Happy Pandit.
Sir.
हाँ बोलिए बेटा।
सर मेरे पास रिवीजन तो सर
आई हैड ऑलरेडी
मैंने
एक्चुअली आपका आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है बेटा। ओके, आई वुड लाइक टू अनम्यूट एनी अदर चिल्ड्रन। कल्प खेफा, यस बोलिए बेटा। कल्प।
हेलो सर।
हाँ बोलो बेटा। आई रिपीट द क्वेश्चन नाउ।
क्वेश्चन
हाँ, what is unit? Write 2 units of temperature.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
हाँ कौन बोल रहे हैं?
सर आई एम माहिश्वेता।
माहेश्वेता बोलो बेटा।
सर आई नो द आंसर।
कल पेपर कुछ बोल रहे हैं तो उसको बोलने दो बेटा पहले। Then if you don't know, then it's your turn. हाँ बोलो कल। हाँ बोलो बेटा कल। Yes, good, very good. And the 2 unit of the temperature is degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit.
and degree
Very good, fine, good answer. Let us move now. The next question. Be ready, everyone. Write 2 units of mass and capacity.
So now can I give answer? So now can I give answer? So now can I give answer? Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir. Sir.
Huh. I would like to.
Sir. Can I give answer?
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ સંદીપ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. બોલો.
બસ કાંઈ નહીં. ઓલું કાલે આંગળીયું કર્યું છે હો.
હાજી.
તમને
Hello, sir.
I would like to unmute now another children.
Sir, can I give answers?
मैं किसी और को बेटा सबका टर्न आना चाहिए ना. ईशा देत्रोजा को unmute करते हैं. ईशा देत्रोजा, I unmute you. बोलो कृष्णा. What's your answer? Isha left. Okay. Then I would like to unmute another children. हाँ बेटा, मैं देख रहा हूँ अभी चेक. लेट मी सी. तो कोई एक का ही आ सकता है आंसर, कि सब साथ में नहीं दे सकते ना आंसर. So please, I mute. I to unmute children. दक्ष राजपुरा. हाँ बोलो दक्ष. रेंडमली मैं सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ.
Sir, repeat the question.
दक्ष राजपुरा.
Repeat the question.
Okay. Write 2 units of mass and capacity.
2 units of mass are kilogram and gram. Mass are kilogram and gram. Capacity are liter and milliliter. Liter and milliliter.
Very good, Daksh. Keep it up. Fine. Good answer.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Very good, beta. Now, let me move to the another children. Happy Pandit. I unmute you. कुछ उसका आवाज में प्रॉब्लम था. बोलिए हैप्पी.
Sir, repeat the question.
हाँ, मैं क्वेश्चन बोल रहा हूँ. What do you understand by temperature? Again I repeat. What do you understand by temperature?
हेलो सर, आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
Again I speak.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. One minute, sir. I go to my upside. So here there is network na son. Your voice is come. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Repeat the question.
Now my voice is coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I repeat the question now.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by temperature? What do you understand by temperature?
Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold an object is.
Very good. Keep it up. Fine. Good answer.
Thank you, sir.
Again, one. I see the message now. Yeah. Jia Ardeshna. I meet you, please. हाँ बोलो बेटा जिया.
Sir, exam में MCQ है.
हाँ MCQ आएंगे ना. MCQ आएंगे.
तो
सिलेबस तो आ गया है, आपके व्हाट्सएप पर ही है. PDF में भेजा ही है.
वो तो पता है.
हाँ बेटा. हाँ.
हाँ वो.
वही तो सिलेबस है. चैप्टर नंबर 4, 8, 9 and 12.
हाँ सर वो तो पता है. पता है.
हाँ वो सिलेबस है. ओके. हाँ बेटा. नाउ लेट अस मूव.
पूरा आएगा.
है बेटा. नहीं पूरा नहीं है. जितना हुआ है 4 चैप्टर वही आएगा. हाँ. Now long question answer we move. First one, discuss with examples how people measured length in ancient time. I would like to unmute any one of you. I would like to unmute Om Kakashania. Please give answer. Where
Sir,
is this
please
answer
repeat
given?
question.
Yes, I repeat the question, beta. Okay, listen carefully.
Yes.
Discuss with examples how people measured length in ancient time. एग्जाम्पल के साथ डिस्कस करना है पीपल एंशियंट टाइम में कैसे मेजरमेंट लेंथ कैसे नापते थे, कैसे मेजर करते थे. The answer is already given in the text.
Yes, sir.
बोलिए बेटा.
People use their body part to measure in ancient time. Example, cubit, fathom, and handspan.
मैंने वो डिस्कस करने को बोला है, लॉन्ग है. तो आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू नाउ. In early times, page number 102. In early times, second paragraph. Again, I repeat the answer. In early times, people used different body parts, such as the hand and the palm, to measure length. Some of the measures used in ancient times were handspan, cubit, and fathom. Then the figure is given. उसके नीचे के जो तीनों है, the length between the tip of the thumb and the tip of the little finger of a fully open palm is called a handspan. We have to discuss. This is long question. The length between the tip of the middle finger and the elbow is called cubit. Is called cubit. Then fathom. A fathom is the length of outstretched arm. This is the answer. This full answer that you have to write. I will send PDF. So don't worry about it, everyone. The next question is, what is mass? What is mass? Write 3 units of measurement for mass. 3 यूनिट मास के मेजरमेंट करने के लिए हमको देने हैं. तो मास, I would like to unmute any one of you. So I would like to unmute, randomly select I. Nirva Sanja. Nirva Sanja, please give your answer, beta. Nirva Sanja. Is there Nirva Sanja? Okay, I meet another children. Tirth Jetloja.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Follow beta answer. I repeat the question now again.
How heavy or light is?
Very good. Then 3 unit of mass. The 3 unit of mass is kilogram,
1000 milligram, grams, kilogram.
kilogram.
Very good. Keep it up. This. Fine. Good answer. Very good. So, this revision sheet of chapter number 8 that we have done. Tomorrow we will do chapter number 4, revision sheet. Okay, all of you. Bye everyone. Have a nice day to every one of you. Take care, every one of you.
Sir, what is homework? Sir, what is homework? Sir, what is homework? Sir, what is homework? Sir, what is homework?